Alright, well, I know they look pretty sad for wheels, but they're just paddles for the sand drags tomorrow night. Fucking right, sand drags tomorrow night. I'm completely fucking stoked. Hopefully got a couple of buddies coming. I know my son Josh is going to be there. Jack's going to be there with Magenta. We're going to do some fucking rips down the track. There's not a lot of information on the website and stuff, but it starts at 7 p.m. and I don't know if there's track times. I don't know if there's a tree. I haven't been able to see any of that. It just says come down, race your buddies, blah blah blah. So I went out back of the shop where I work, Dom's Bus Box, and I dug up these paddles. They got a lot of paddles on them. You're supposed to cut some of them off, but I didn't have time for all that. I'll stop at Harbor Freight and get a tool so you can pick what size you want to cut off. I think there's two sizes, so you can just cut these small ones out or whatever you want to do. And I'm going to paint them up, put some of the slime in them because that one kept going flat, and they only need to last, you know, a couple of minutes, go down the drag. So no big deal if they go flat. I got a compressor. I'll just fill them back up and head back down the track. But we're gonna put a little slime in these here beauties. Put some slime in her. Oh yeah, good old slime. Alright, well the camera's about to die, I guess. But I'll go charge it up and we'll get these wheels painted. It's gonna be sick night. Alright. I don't know how good you can see, but we painted the wheels and we added these cool 8-ball freaking bow stem, whatchamahoo goggedy was. That's it. I'll show some video tomorrow of me getting the sand rail ready, checking the oil, doing all the bullshit. Be prepared. It's gonna be alright. So we're on our way to the racetrack. I had all kinds of trouble. My camera died. My girlfriend went and got a new camera. The lights quit working in the sand rail. I have to drive back at night, so I got those jerry rigged up with a new switch, and I'm gonna go get in my car and start heading that way. It takes about an hour. I'll definitely get some good video when I get there, but the trip there is gonna not be very much. But see you there.
Nice.
Alright, here we go. This should be fucking awesome. I don't know what that's about. Opponent?
Yeah.
Mr. Tiburon?
What happened to him? I didn't see him after I left.
I'm afraid you took him to Galapagos.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Got him a riblet basket.
Yeah. Tech. Yeah. That'll be a good race. Those things are pretty fast. Yeah. It'll go. guess. It ain't easy being cheesy. What are you doing, babe? Putting on more jackets?
Doubling up.
It is getting kind of chilly. Yeah. Whoa, fish eye.
Holy shit.
I suppose, yeah, that line's long as fuck, dude. I don't know. I guess I gotta get at least one more run in.
Kind of chunky green, but you know.
Yeah, green and get there eventually. That's awesome.